Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. Now look at your home in a relaxed way and learn more about Feng Shui. Tips to get the most of your mainline home. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolfe with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach, and while I am not an expert in Feng Shui, I do know a thing or two about curb appeal and what buyers are looking for. And we have had an incredible year in 2021, and looking to the spring selling season, we can get anywhere from 5 to 10% more this year for your home. According to the expert forecast, let's start prepping for success. These tips are for a balance, harmony, and good fortune. So first, follow the flow of the furniture. Here are the basic don'ts. Don't impede the flow by overcrowding with too much furniture. Don't block the natural pathways into and through each room with furniture. And don't position couches and chairs directly facing a doorway unless you want to give off the energy that often waits in the shadows to confront anyone who enters. Don't place seating directly facing each other. Either set it at an angle a little bit or place a table between them to reduce the sense of a face-off confrontation. And never ever hang a mirror directly across from the front door. But you can hang the mirrors opposite of the windows with great views. Pay careful attention to your bed placement. It should be positioned opposite the door, but your feet should not directly point at the door. Second, be aware of the energy of the color choices you make and incorporate Feng Shui hues in every room by introducing color accents like throw pillows, vases, artwork, and other decor. The trick is picking the right Feng Shui approved color for every room. And to determine what that color is, you can look at a consult for energy maps, which is encouraging colors and the elements placement based on the directional position of your home, whether it's north, south, east, west. And an example would be that bedrooms should be soothing and they should be restful, whereas living rooms should invoke energy. And in a room that gets little natural light, use warm colors that mimic the sun, like yellows and oranges. But lastly, each room should incorporate 5 elements. The water element includes fountains and mirrors, seascapes, curved shapes, blue or black decor. The wood elements includes healthy plants, forests, trees, or leaf imagery, green or brown decor. And the fire element includes candles, electronics, lighting, triangular shapes, red or orange decor. And the earth element includes pottery, earthenware, landscape photos, beige or yellow decor. And the metal element includes metallic finishes, so circular shapes, rocks or stones, white or gray decor. Elements are fundamental to Feng Shui, and some believe that the right element in the right place can impact your life for the better and get a quicker and more beneficial sale. So in today's market on the main line, even unbalanced homes are selling for above list price. So I hope you found this information useful. And if you're considering Feng Shui in your home, I'm happy to provide a referral. We stage all of our homes and many of these principles are applied. Are you looking to sell your mainline home this spring? Let me show you not just our Feng Shui principles, but our other marketing principles that get your home sold quickly for the best prices and terms. So Kimmy Rolfe sells a mainline and local areas. I think Wrigley was falling asleep during this because we're talking about Feng Shui.